Hello my lovelies, it's more of Tia. Welcome back to my channel. Just look at this popsicle. Oh my god, I feel like screaming. This is so tasty, so yummy, so healthy, nothing artificial. If you want to learn how to do this, stick with me. And now this is other containers I used. I got it from Walmart, and yes, I blended up all my fruits, guys. So this is raspberries and strawberries. I blended it separately, and then I blended my bananas and spinach separately. See, I'm salivating right now. Oh my goodness, this is so healthy. You know it. I don't have to tell you the benefits of all of these things. But I blended my blueberries and also mangoes separately. Now the last one is the one I know nobody would think, oh, it's for kids. My children love ginger so much, so I made mango and ginger for them. So those were the 4 different colors I was able to achieve with my fruits, and that was so amazing to see that they love the color. It's fun, yet they want to have it. Now I want to tell you why I always do this for my kids. Number 1 is healthy. Number 2, my kids were diagnosed with lead in their system, so I need to give them more of spinach, more vitamin C to wash all of that lead in their system, to take it down to bare minimum. And this is how I do it. So if you know anyone that has lead and the kids don't like taking spinach and vegetables and all of that, this is another way to incorporate spinach and vegetables as a whole into your daily life, and you know that you're getting enough of it. Now all of these veggies, this smoothie that you see here, my kids don't mind taking it, but again, make it fun for them. And the green spinach, I do that alone, and they don't mind having it for breakfast. Trust me, it tastes so good. Ooh.
Can I have the popsicle?
Hold on. Look at this.
Can I have the popsicle?
Guys, can you hold on then?
Please.
Dang. This is art.
Art?
Yes.
What is art?
Art is this.
Oh, so can I have it now? We have it now.
Who's gonna have it first? So
Nancy.
let's hold on. Let's do another one before, so we can all have it together. Okay.
Okay. Wow, Daddy. Some of the popsicles are
Ooh. This is beautiful. Look at that. Okay, what color do you want?
I want orange.
Orange? Oh, look.
I want
Ding.
yellow.
And they all said it at the same time. Good job. You all said your colors. Okay, guys, have fun.
Okay.
Nobody should come back for more, okay? Taste it and tell me, do you like it?
Yes.
Do you like it, Nasi?
Yes. Thanks, Mommy.
Well, you see, you know what to say at the right time. You're welcome, darling.
Mom.
You didn't say thank you yet.
Thank you.